Hey guys, Sam here. Thanks so much for making it this far through the free Google Shopping course. The KeyCommerce team and I really hope you're finding it valuable and you're already getting results from your Google Shopping campaigns. We're constantly trying to improve the content we make for you guys and we welcome any feedback. We're constantly on the lookout for new ideas for courses, videos, and guides so we can help you the best we can. So we want your feedback. Please leave a comment below. How was the course? If it was awesome and helpful, let us know below. And if you'd like us to teach any other content about e-commerce and digital marketing, let us know below as well. The better that we can understand what you're struggling with and what you really want to learn, the faster we can make amazing guides and tutorials. Also, if you found our course particularly helpful, please leave us a review. I'll leave some links below to a few platforms like Trustpilot and Facebook. It will take less than 10 seconds of your time. This helps us get our content in front of more and more people, which allows us to make better and better content for you guys. And if you have 60 seconds to spare, there's also a link to submit a video testimonial sharing your experience about the course. Finally, I want to thank each and every one of you for all the support you've given us on our YouTube channel, in our emails, and some of you have even come up to me in public to say hi. We thrive on creating the most helpful content and we love how positive and awesome you guys are. Again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.